The Holy Prophet ﷺ had instructed that all things besides Allah which had become the object of worship should be destroyed. There is no doubt that the Holy Prophet ﷺ confronted the powerful and well-armed people of Mecca to uphold the unity of God and ultimately rid the Holy Kaaba of the 360 idols that had been there. Furthermore, the Holy Prophet ﷺ undertook a great struggle to firmly establish the unity of God within the hearts of the people. The Holy Prophet ﷺ taught and trained his companions whilst mindful of the minutest of details, which resulted in the fact that it was impossible for even the slightest hint of associating partners with God to exist in those companions. This included teaching the companions not to exaggerate even in their praise of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, and said that he was merely a servant of God. Once the Holy Prophet ﷺ heard Hazrat Umar anhu swearing by his father, to which the Holy Prophet ﷺ said that God had forbidden swearing by one's forefathers. If one is to swear by anything, then they should swear by God, otherwise they should remain silent. The Holy Prophet ﷺ could not bear even a hint of something being set up as a partner with God. There is an incident where some companions presented a hypothetical scenario before the Holy Prophet ﷺ, where they were face to face with a disbeliever in battle, and the disbeliever was to strike them with his sword and sever their arm. Then the disbeliever hides behind a tree and says that he accepts Islam for the sake of Allah. In this instance, should they still kill that man? The Holy Prophet ﷺ said that in such an instant the disbeliever should not be killed. One companion asked even if he said this after having severed his hand. The Holy Prophet ﷺ said that if the man uttered belief in one God, then he must not be killed. For if he were killed, then the Muslim who killed him would fall to the rank of that same disbelieving man before his declaration of faith, while he would ascend to the rank of a Muslim. This was the pristine teaching of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. Yet today in Pakistan, Ahmadis are subjected to the cruelest of atrocities at the hands of so-called Muslim clerics. Those who follow these clerics should awaken and take heed. The Holy Prophet ﷺ said that the thing he feared most for his people was the subtle shirk, association of partners with God. Companions asked what the subtle shirk was. The Holy Prophet ﷺ said that it was ostentation, to show off. The Holy Prophet ﷺ taught that showing off to others in hopes of earning their favor also amounts to associating partners with God. It is stated in the Holy Quran, chapter 6, verse 83, those who believe and mix not up their belief with injustice, it is they who shall have peace and who are rightly guided. The companions worriedly said to the Holy Prophet ﷺ that everyone, in some way or another, even unknowingly, commits injustices. Then God revealed another verse of the Holy Quran, chapter 31, verse 14, in which he said, surely associating partners with God is a grievous wrong. Thus God explained that associating partners with God is a grave injustice, which must be avoided even in its most subtle manifestations. In this era, when not only were there the forces of Gog and Magog detracting from belief in God, but unfortunately even amongst the Muslim world the unity of God had become lost. It was for this reason that God sent the promised Messiah (salam) to revive the same message of God's unity which was brought by the Holy Prophet (wasallam). As Ahmadis, we can only do justice to our pledge of allegiance to the promised Messiah (salam) when we truly and firmly uphold the unity of God. 23rd March marks the promised Messiah (salam) day. We must bear in mind that in order to truly be the followers of the promised Messiah (salam), not only should we hold programs in commemoration, but we must fulfill the objectives for which he came by establishing and upholding the unity of God within our homes, societies, and the world at large. His Holiness, may Allah be his helper, prayed that may Allah enable the Muslims to recognize the promised Messiah (salam) in order to come to accept the unity of God and break through the Antichrist forces of Gog and Magog. The promised Messiah (salam) writes, It is the teaching of the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, that sins are removed by the affirmation that there is none worthy of worship except Allah, and Muhammad is a messenger of Allah. The Holy Prophet ﷺ never left an opportunity to exemplify and teach the unity of God. This was to the extent that even the opponents of the Holy Prophet ﷺ and his detractors accept that he was truly devoted to God. Even a French historian who was critical of the Holy Prophet ﷺ had to attest that he had never seen devotion to God in the same manner as he did throughout the life of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. This passionate devotion to the unity of God, which led the Holy Prophet ﷺ to be deemed the perfect man. His mission was to establish, teach, and spread to the entire world one message, the oneness of God. Even the last message of the Holy Prophet ﷺ to his people before his demise was not to make him an object of worship and associating partners with God, as the followers of previous religions had done with their prophets. The Holy Prophet ﷺ said that this would not please him. In fact, if anyone made him the object of their worship, then his soul would curse them. This is the degree to which, even in his final words, the Holy Prophet ﷺ was concerned with ensuring the avoidance of any form of association of partners with God. His Holiness, may Allah be his helper, said that as those who have accepted the true servant of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, who has directed us to understanding the true unity of God as taught by the Holy Prophet ﷺ, it is our duty to uphold the true unity of God in the world today. His Holiness, may Allah be his helper, prayed that may Allah enable us to do so.